So our next topic is the relation between concentration terms. So यहां पे हम लोग concentration terms के बीच में कुछ relations को study करेंगे और ये जो relations है ये actually useful होंगे for solving numericals. So we can write these are short tricks to solve numericals. Okay, we have to discuss 7 relations. First, relation between mole fraction, that is x, and molality. Our second relation is relation between mole fraction and molarity, that is capital M. Our third relation is relation between molarity, that is capital M, and molality, that is small m. Our fourth relation is relation between molarity M and weight by weight percentage. Our fifth relation is relation between molality, that is small m, and weight by weight percentage. Our sixth relation is relation between mole fraction, that is x, and weight by weight percentage. And our last relation is relation between molarity, that is capital M, and normality, that is capital N. Our first relation is the relation between mole fraction and molality. Now कुछ conditions हैं जो मैं यहाँ पे पहली बार explain कर रहा हूँ और इट is same for all cases. We will use binary solution. Binary solution के अंदर solvent कौन सा use करेंगे हम लोग? A and solute will be B. अब इस सारे relations में WA का meaning होगा mass of solvent, WB means mass of solute, MA means molecular mass या molar mass of solvent, MB means molecular mass or molar mass of solute, Na means moles of solvent, Nb means moles of solute, Xa means mole fraction of solvent, Xb means mole fraction of solute, small m means molality, capital M is molarity, small d is density in gram per ml, and weight by weight percentage means weight of solute in gram divided by weight of solution in gram
into
100. तो इन सारे फॉर्मुलेज में ये रिलेशंस यूज होंगे. ओके, यहाँ पे
capital N means normality
and small n means number of equivalent acidity और basicity. ओके, ये सारे हमें टर्म्स यूज करने हैं ड्यूरिंग दिस रिलेशंस. तो फर्स्ट रिलेशन से स्टार्ट करते हैं. हमारा फर्स्ट रिलेशन है रिलेशन बिटवीन मोल फ्रैक्शन एंड मोलालिटी. सो मोलालिटी, दैट इज स्मॉल m, is equal to xb into 1000 divided by xa into ma, or we can write xb into 1000 divided by
1 minus
xb into ma. ये हमारा फर्स्ट रिलेशन है बिटवीन मोल फ्रैक्शन एंड मोलालिटी. सो आवर सेकेंड रिलेशन इज रिलेशन बिटवीन मोल फ्रैक्शन एंड मोलारिटी. सेम कंडीशन, यहां भी बाइनरी सॉल्यूशन है. सो मोलारिटी that is capital M equals to XB into density into 1000 upon XA into MA plus XB into MB. This is the relation between molarity and mole fraction. Our third relation is between molarity, that is capital M, and molality. So we have two relations. मैं दोनों एक्सप्रेस कर देता हूं. First, molality is equal to molarity upon density minus molecular mass of A multiplied by molecular mass of B, that is molecular mass of solvent multiplied by molecular mass of solute. And secondly, 1 upon molality equals to density upon molarity minus molecular mass of solute divided by 1000. So these are the two relations between molarity and molality. So our fourth relation is molarity and weight by weight percentage. Molarity equals to weight by weight percentage multiplied by density into 10 divided by molecular mass of solute. So this is the relation between molarity and weight by weight percentage. So our fifth relation is relation between molarity and weight by weight percentage. Molality is equal to weight by weight percentage multiplied by 1000 divided by 100 minus weight by weight percentage multiplied by molecular mass of B. This is the relation between molality and weight by weight percentage.
Now, our sixth relation is relation between
Mole fraction and weight by weight percentage. Mole fraction of solute, that is XB, is equal to weight by weight percentage multiplied by molecular mass of solvent divided by weight by weight percentage multiplied by molecular mass of solvent plus 100 minus weight by weight percentage into MB. So this is the relation between mole fraction and weight by weight percentage. So our seventh relation is relation between molarity and normality. We can write molarity is equal to normality divided by N, or normality is equal to molarity multiplied by N. कुछ एग्जांपल्स देख लेते हैं. सपोज 1 मोलार HCl है तो नॉर्मेलिटी कितनी होगी?
Now, HCl में कितने H+ रिलीज होते हैं? Only 1.
यानी N की वैल्यू 1 आएगी तो मोलारिटी जितनी है नॉर्मेलिटी भी सेम 1 नॉर्मल HCl हो जाएगा. बिकॉज नॉर्मेलिटी इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है? मोलारिटी इनटू स्मॉल n, which is basicity of HCl. Now, second example, 1 molar H2SO4. Basicity of sulfuric acid is 2. तो नॉर्मेलिटी के लिए क्या करना होता है? मोलारिटी मल्टीप्लाई बाय बेसिसिटी. इट विल बी 2 नॉर्मल H2SO4. 1 molar NaOH सॉल्यूशन, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. नाउ सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड को अगर हम आयनाइज करेंगे तो उसमें से एक OH माइनस निकलेगा. दैट मींस इसकी एसिडिटी 1 है. तो मोलारिटी को अगर हम लोग 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे देन वी विल गेट नॉर्मेलिटी जो कि सेम होगी, दैट इज 1 नॉर्मल NaOH. नाउ एक और एग्जांपल कंसीडर करते हैं. सपोज 1 मोलार कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. नाउ यहां पे हम देख सकते हैं कि कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड में 2 OH माइनस आयंस है. यानी जब ये आयनाइज होगा इसमें से 2 OH माइनस रिलीज होंगे. इसका मतलब इस कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड की एसिडिटी 2 है. सो मोलारिटी को जब हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वी विल गेट नॉर्मेलिटी. which means normality हो जाएगी
टू
normal.
नॉर्मल कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड।
yes, this is the relation between molarity and normality.